In the heart of every creative workshop lies a tool that transforms simple ideas into tangible treasures. And the MK.Bear refrigerator magnet button maker is the undisputed sovereign of this domain. This machine, a marvel of engineering and a beacon for crafters, is not merely a press. It is a gateway to a world of personalized expression, where imagination is the only limit. Consequently, its 50mm, 1.97-inch, square-shaped design offers a unique canvas, a departure from the conventional, and it encourages bold and unconventional creations. The smooth operation, a testament to its thoughtful construction, feels like a dance between the user and the machine, a seamless choreography of pressure and precision. Moreover, the accompanying 100 sets of supplies serve as a generous dowry, a promise of many projects to come, and they ensure that the creative journey can begin immediately, without delay. Thus, the MK.Bear refrigerator magnet button maker stands as a silent partner in the pursuit of beauty, a steadfast friend that turns fleeting moments into permanent keepsakes. The operation of this square-shaped pinmaker machine is a study in elegant simplicity, a truly delightful process that belies its powerful capabilities. Initially, a design, a memory, or a whimsical drawing is placed into the press, which then acts as a gentle embrace, holding the image securely. Subsequently, with a single, decisive motion, the machine works its magic, and it fuses the components into a single, cohesive unit. This process is like a potter shaping clay, or a sculptor chiseling stone, as it transforms raw materials into a finished piece of art. Furthermore, the resulting magnets are more than just functional items. They are small windows into the soul of the creator, and they carry with them the weight of personal stories and heartfelt sentiments. Meanwhile, the durable construction of the machine itself suggests a long and fruitful partnership, a reliable workhorse that will endure countless hours of creative labor. Therefore, every press of the MK.Bear refrigerator magnet button maker is a small act of creation, a whisper of a new beginning, and it is a testament to the power of handcrafted goods. The versatility and the sheer potential of this DIY button press machine are boundless, and they make it an indispensable tool for hobbyists, small business owners, and educators alike. For instance, a small photograph can become a cherished refrigerator magnet, a constant reminder of a loved one's smile, while a child's drawing can be immortalized, a testament to their budding talent. Likewise, entrepreneurs can use this machine to craft unique merchandise, and it allows them to offer custom, one-of-a-kind products that stand out in a crowded marketplace. Ultimately, the MK.Bear refrigerator magnet button maker is a tool that empowers, and it enables individuals to bring their visions to life, and it fosters a deep connection between the creator and the created. In conclusion, this machine is not just a device for making magnets. It is a catalyst for creativity, and it is a vessel for sharing joy, and it is a bridge between the imagination and the real world. Pros: makes great magnets, build quality is great for the price, works amazingly, not too much force is needed, works well with plain paper, easy to do, magnets turned out great, fun to do, great for gifts, very nice little device. Cons: feels like it's going to break, build quality isn't the best, you may need to waste a few. Some plates came dented, looks like it was used before, magnets come apart when touched. Features: 50mm 1.97-inch size, makes fridge magnets, includes 100 sets, easy to use, pinmaker machine. Button maker supplies, MK.Bear brand, refrigerator magnet maker. The MK.Bear 50mm 1.97-inch square-shaped button maker machine is a versatile tool for creating your own fridge magnets and pins. This user-friendly kit includes a button press machine and 100 sets of supplies, making it easy to create custom refrigerator magnets. The machine is designed by the MK.Bear brand and is specifically tailored for making square-shaped buttons and magnets. This machine is also referred to as a pin maker and comes with all the necessary supplies to get started. The MK.Bear 50mm, 1.97-inch square fridge magnet button maker machine is a simple and enjoyable tool for creating refrigerator magnets. While it has some reported issues with build quality and dented plates, many users find it works well and requires minimal force. The machine produces great-looking magnets that are perfect for personalized gifts or just for fun. Some customers mentioned the magnets coming apart and the device feeling like it may break. So you may need to practice and waste a few supplies to get the hang of it.